Good morning, dear students. Welcome to e-learning class of English. Students, in your previous class, you had studied about present continuous tense. Today, we will study about present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to describe an experience. For example, Rohan has gone to Delhi many times. I have watched this movie 4 times. Present perfect tense is used to describe a change over a period of time. For example, Priya has improved in her studies. We use present perfect tense to show an action completed recently. For example, I have completed my graduation. Riti has just met her old friends. I have just finished my homework. Yes, children, now we will learn more about present perfect tense. The rule which we follow in present perfect tense is subject plus has have plus third form of the verb plus object. Now I will explain to you that where we use has and where we use have. Has is used with he, she, it and singular noun. And have is used with they, we, you, I and plural noun. Yes, singular noun means name of a person, place or a thing. And plural noun means name of more than one person, place or thing. Now children, let's understand this rule with the help of the given examples. Read the first example. She has broken the glass. Yes, you can see that I have used has with she. Broken is the third form of break. She has broken the glass. Here is the second example. My uncle has bought a new car. Yes, my uncle is singular noun. It is the name of one person. So we have used has. Bought is the third form of buy. Third example, I have learned a new lesson. Yes, children, you can see that I have used have with I and learnt is the third form of learn. Now the fourth example is you have eaten the cake. Yes, we have used have with you and eaten is the third form of eat. Okay, read the fifth example. Rohan and Sohan have forgotten to bring their English book. Rohan and Sohan are name of two persons. So we have used have with Rohan and Sohan. And forgotten is the third form of forget. Now students, we will learn to change these sentences into negative sentence. To change them into negative sentence, we will follow this rule. Subject plus has have plus not plus third form of the verb plus object. See the first example. She has not broken the glass. It is very easy. We have to use not with has or have. Read the second example. My uncle has not bought a new car. Third example. I have not learnt a new lesson. Now the fourth example, you have not eaten the cake. Fifth example, Rohan and Sohan have not forgotten to bring their English book. So students, as you can see that we have used not after has and have in these sentences. Now, we will learn to change these sentences into interrogative sentences. And the rule which we follow is has have plus subject plus third form of the verb plus object plus question mark. Students, don't forget to put a question mark at the end of an interrogative sentence. Okay? See the first example. Has she broken the glass? Question mark. Second example. Has my uncle bought a new car? Question mark. Number 3. Have I learnt a new lesson? Question mark. Number 4. Have you eaten the cake? Question mark. Don't forget. Number 5. Have Rohan and Sohan forgotten to bring their English book? Question mark. So students, as you can see that we have started these sentences with has and have and put question mark at the end of each sentence. Children, hope you all have understood present perfect tense very well. Thank you and have a nice day.